Ladies and gentlemen, rising affiliate marketing superstars. Do you know that absolutely everyone wants to make at least $5,000 a month online? To some established marketers, it's a breeze to reach that goal. But to some others, especially the newbies, this is a tall order. But the issue is, there's a lot of misleading information out there. A lot of come easy go easy gimmicks, and overnight press the green button success syndrome. Some con marketers make it seem easier than it actually is to reach that target. Have you found yourself in this ring battling with this dog-eat-dog online business battle? Hey there, my marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Affiliates, the go-to channel for all things affiliate marketing. I am Sam Chidebere, your trusted guide through the world of online success. Today's video is for those of you who are just starting on this exciting journey. My mission here at Smart Affiliates is to help you not only succeed, but thrive as affiliate marketers, and of course, convert your audience into buyers. The $5,000 blueprint. So, how do you turn that dream of making $5,000 a month into a reality? Let me break it down step by step with the Smart Affiliates blueprint. Strategy 1. Selecting a profitable niche. Your niche is the bedrock of your affiliate journey, so choose wisely. Start by identifying your passions and interests. Ask yourself, what do I love? Then look for niches that align with those interests. For example, if you are a fitness enthusiast, consider niches like home workouts or healthy living. By following your passion, you are more likely to stay committed and create content that resonates with your audience, ultimately leading to higher affiliate sales. That's the Smart Affiliates way to turn your interest into profits for rising affiliate marketers. Strategy 2. Finding high converting affiliate products. Start by researching affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Look for products with proven track records of high conversion rates. For instance, if your niche is tech gadgets, explore popular programs like Amazon Associates. Or if you are into eco-friendly living, consider eco marketplaces like Hero. By choosing established affiliate programs and products with high demand, you are increasing your chances of successful conversions. Remember, the Smart Affiliates approach is about making informed choices to ensure success for rising affiliate marketers. Strategy 3. Building a conversion-oriented website or landing page. Your website should be a sales powerhouse. Optimize it by creating clear, user-friendly layouts and compelling call-to-action buttons. For instance, besthomegadgets.com uses engaging product images and concise descriptions, making it easy for visitors to make informed decisions. Emulate such practices in your niche, ensuring your site guides visitors seamlessly to affiliate products, ultimately boosting conversions. With Smart Affiliates, we are transforming your website into a conversion magnet, a place where rising affiliate marketers turn tricks into sales. Strategy 4. Creating quality content. Engaging and persuasive content is key. I will demonstrate how to create content that resonates with your audience. Stay tuned for some content creation tips. Craft content that speaks to your audience's needs and desires. Engage through relatable stories and authentic experiences. Provide valuable insights and solutions, making them think, this content gets me. Utilize eye-catching visuals and user-friendly formats. For instance, Foodie Delights creates engaging recipe videos with step-by-step instructions and vibrant visuals that resonate with food enthusiasts. These strategies ensure your content strikes a chord with your audience, a hallmark of smart affiliates to guide rising affiliate marketers to success. Strategy 5. Promoting affiliate offers effectively. I've got a bag full of tricks to attract and convert your audience. I'll go through strategies like SEO and social media marketing and how they can work for you. To attract and convert your audience, utilize SEO strategies like keyword research and optimization. Implement on-page SEO techniques to rank higher in search results. Additionally, leverage social media marketing by creating engaging posts, utilizing relevant hashtags, and connecting with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. These tactics enhance your online presence and boost conversions, transforming your affiliate journey into a success story. That's Smart Affiliate's way for rising affiliate marketers. Strategy 6. Tracking and optimizing your campaigns. The secret to sustainable growth lies in data analysis. Monitor your campaigns and track metrics like conversion rates and click-through rates. Identify what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on the data to optimize performance. For example, Tech Guru Reviews used analytics to discover that video reviews outperformed written ones, so they adapted. It's all about making informed decisions, a key part of Smart Affiliate's guide to rising affiliate marketers towards continuous improvement and success. Let's go to practical tips and strategies. But of course, I'm not just sharing theory. Practical tips and strategies are on the menu today, and you see how these apply in real life situations. Today, we are diving into practical affiliate marketing tips and strategies that you can put into action right away. We will demonstrate how these strategies work in real life scenarios, from content creation hacks to social media engagement tricks. We will provide you with actionable insight that you can apply to your affiliate marketing journey. It's all about turning theory into practice and achieving tangible results. The Smart Affiliate's way for rising affiliate marketers. Success stories. Ready for some inspiration? I've got success stories of affiliate newbies who followed this very blueprint and achieved their $5,000 a month dream. They are the living proof that it is possible. Meet Nancy, an aspiring marketer who followed our blueprint diligently. She chose the sustainable living niche, promoting eco-friendly products. Through her well-optimized website and engaging content, she not only reached but surpassed her $5,000 a month goal. Her success story is a testament to the effectiveness of the affiliate marketer's blueprint for turning dreams into reality for rising affiliate marketers. The importance of consistency. Consistency is your compass in the affiliate marketing world. It builds trust with your audience, boosts your credibility, and fosters long-term success. By staying committed to your strategies and content, you will gradually convert from an aspiring affiliate marketer into a trusted source that leads to successful buyers. It's all part of your mission here at Smart Affiliates to guide you on this transformative journey. Resources and tools that you need. Don't fret, I'm here to support you. I'll provide a curated list of valuable resources and tools to streamline your affiliate marketing journey. Whether it is analytics platform, keyword research tools, or content creation software, I've got your back to make your path to success in affiliate marketing more efficient and effective. 1. Google Analytics. Track website traffic and user behavior for in-depth analysis. That's from Google Analytics. 2. SEMrush. Conduct keyword research, competitive analysis, and track SEO performance. 3. Ahrefs. Explore backlink profiles, find content ideas, and improve your website's SEO. 4. Canva. With Canva, create eye-catching graphics and visuals for your website and social media. Number 5. WordPress. WordPress is a versatile content management system for building and managing your website. You can't do without it. 6. Buffer or Hootsuite. Schedule and manage social media posts for effective promotion. 7. Grammarly. Improve the quality of your written content by checking for grammar and spelling errors. Number 8. Testing Affiliates. A WordPress plugin for managing and cloaking affiliate links. Number 9. MailChimp or ConvertKit. Email marketing platforms to build and engage your audience. Number 10. Trello or Asana. Trello or Asana helps you organize and manage your tasks, content calendar, and affiliate marketing projects. Now, it's your turn to take action. If you're ready to embark on this journey and succeed, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your fellow rising affiliate marketers. But wait, I'm not done yet. I'm opening the floor for your questions. What do you want to know about affiliate marketing? Ask away. Let's conclude. As we wrap up, remember that $5,000 a month you are dreaming of is not a distant fantasy. It is within reach, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to connect with me on social media and explore more content on Smart Affiliates. Stay tuned for more exciting content from my channel by subscribing. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.